Welcome viewers. We will continue our lecture on profit and loss. Today we will discuss problems on profit percent and loss percent. So we have already discussed the formulas related to profit and loss percent. So we know that profit percent is profit upon cost price into 100 and loss percent is loss upon cost price into 100. So by using these formulas we will try to solve the problems. So we will discuss first problem. Question number 1 is Mr. Tushar purchased an article for rupees 12,000 and sold it for rupees 15,000. What was the profit percentage? So cost price is 12,000, selling price is 15,000. So profit is rupees 3,000. So profit percent is profit upon cost price. Cost price is 12,000 rupees into 100%. So that is equal to, we cancel these two terms, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24 and 12 fives are 60. So 25% profit. Now question number 2. Tamanna buys an old scooty for rupees 5,000 and spends rupees 1,000 on its repair. If she sells the scooty for rupees 6,500, his gain percent is. So the cost price here, the cost price is 5,000 plus the money spent on its repair, that is 1,000. So here cost price is CP is 5,000 plus 1,000, that is equal to 6,000 rupees, and selling price is 6,500. So there is a profit and profit percent. We directly calculate the profit percent, that is profit is 6,500 minus 6,000, that is 500, divided by cost price is 6,000 into 100. So we can get 50 by 6, that is 25 by 3. 25 by 3 means 8 into 1 by 3% profit. Now question number 3 is Anika bought a DVD player for rupees 4,500 and sold it for rupees 5,400. What is the percentage profit earned? So the cost, similarly cost price is 4,500 and selling price is 5,400. So there is a profit. So we directly calculate profit percent, that is profit 5,400 minus 4,500. So 900, profit is 900, cost price is 4,500 into 100%. So that is equal to 20%. So profit percent is 20%. Now next question is Devanshi purchased a mobile phone for rupees 5,400 and a refrigerator for rupees 9,600. She sold the mobile phone at 3 by 4 of its cost price and the refrigerator at 4 by 3, 4/3 of its cost price. So what was the profit or loss percent? So we have to find profit or loss percent in the, so in this case the cost price is, we have to calculate the cost price. We have to add the cost price of mobile phone as well as the cost price of refrigerator. So cost price is CP CP is equal to 5400 plus 9600, that is equal to 15,000. So the selling price is 3/4 of 5400 plus 4/3 of 9600, that is equal to 4050 plus 12,800, that is equal to 16,850. So this is the selling price. Now we can easily find the profit percent, that is profit is 1850 divided by cost price 15,000 into 100. So you can calculate this. Now the next question is, if the cost price is rupees 2,516 and the selling price is 2,272, find the percentage loss. So here CP is 2,516, SP is this, so loss is 2,516 minus 2,272, that is equal to 214 rupees. So loss percent, same formula, that is loss 244 upon cost price is 2,516 into 100%. Now you can calculate this. Next question is, a shopkeeper purchased a radio for rupees 800 and sold the radio for rupees 600. So purchase a radio mean cost price is this and selling price is this, so 600. So there is a loss, and loss is equal to 200 rupees. So loss percent is loss 200, cost price is 800 into 100, 25%. So next is, a shopkeeper purchased a radio for rupees 600. He sold it for rupees 720. What is the percentage he earned, profit percent he earned in the transaction? So already given that profit percent we have to find. So profit is 720 minus 600, 120. So profit percent is 120 divided by 600 is the cost price into 100. So you can calculate this. Next is, Alka sold her watch for rupees 480 and incurred 40% loss. In order to obtain a profit of 30%, what should be the selling price? Now this question, this is a tricky question. Alka sold a watch for rupees 480 and she incurred a loss of 40%. It means the selling price is 60% of 480 because there is a loss of 40%. So 480 is nothing but it is a 60% of CP, that is equal to 480. You can see the previous video where I have already discussed about these. In order to obtain a profit of 30%, profit of 30% means 130% of CP. So 60% of CP is this, we have to find 130% of CP. Now 1% of CP is 480 divided by 60 and 130% of CP, that is equal to 480 upon 60 into 130. So you can calculate this. Thank you very much. We will discuss few problems in our next lecture. Thank you.